hospitable. But this one, he's so rude. Are you sure he's Filipino? Gosh, how I wish I would have went to Europe instead of the Philippines if I'd known this was going to happen to me.
Europe. De pumunta ka ron.
You stop yourself, ha? Huwag kang bastos. Nakita mo nagpapaliwanag yung tao, eh. Turista yan. Kailangan nakitin natin para mawili dito sa ating bansa. Kayong mga driver, parang hari kayo ng daan kasi.
Yan ang hirap sa inyo, Sarge. In English lang kayo, nabili na kayo.
Are you insulting me?
You know what? He is insulting you. He has no respect for your integrity whatsoever. Do you see what I mean now?
Nakita mo na, intindihan? You are insulting my personal appearance.
Personal appearance.
So what? So what? Kulong ito! Kulong yan!
Sarge, hindi pa pwede...
Wala nang paliwanag yan! Kulong nation!
Ba,